Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So this is a review of the newly launched Shopify app, which is Shopify Launch Check. Basically, it uses the Shopify AI to determine what things are missing from your store. And if you have, for example, if you just uh, tell Shopify that I need these things for launching, Shopify AI will analyze automatically and tell you whether you are ready for launch or not. So I will show you exactly what I mean. So this is a new app, and as you can see, this is officially by Shopify, and the rating is only a 5 star and one rating. So it means that not much people have used this app. So we are one of, so I'm one of the earliest creators who are reviewing this app. This app is very helpful, and it uses the Shopify AI actually. So I will show you. I have installed the app for you so that I can save the time. And this app looks something like this. So it shows Shopify Launch X uses AI to analyze your store data and provide launch recommendations. Review all results before launch to confirm readiness. So you can create multiple launch checks. For example, if you are planning to launch in January and it is September, so you can run the first launch test for the September, then October, then November, then December. So you will have the four launch checks, and Shopify will analyze whether your store is ready or not. So let me show you. So new launch check, and I will launch check. Okay. So basically, as a developer, I do this launch checks manually. But this is for the Shopify itself, and Shopify has made this list. This list is very comprehensive and very important. You use for the store owners and the agency owners as well. So September 2025, and for example, I want to test the admin settings, and for example, install app checks, and I want to check the checkout setting. Then I want to check the custom domain. I want Shopify to analyze these settings. So store email check. I want to check this as well. Organization owner check, bank account or payout check, store policies check, shipping profile check, staff account check, and tax override check. I will click on start. So let me show you the magic. This is the magic, to be very honest. Shopify will analyze your store automatically, and it will basically check the 12 tasks that you have checked for you, whether you have completed them or not. Okay. So let's see. It will take a few seconds to analyze, and it has shown me that I have only completed 4 tasks till now. Only. But if you have checked for a task and it is a little time taking, Shopify will can take like a minute. So currently it says that I have done 4 tasks for my launch check of September 2025, and AI has analyzed that 8 tasks are missing from my task list. So, for example, installed app check, it is checked manually. I have to check manually each app. Shopify is saying that I have to check this manually. AI cannot detect this thing. So, I've already checked it. So, I will mark as ready. Okay, so 5 tasks are done. This is something really crazy. For example, I am currently working on a client launch, and it is expected to launch in January or February. So I can make like 4 launch checks, and Shopify AI will analyze whether I have done this thing or not, and then I can complete the launch, first launch and second launch, third launch and fourth launch. This is how the things are done. So checkout settings check. You have to check manually. So yes, it is done. Custom domain check. So Shopify has mentioned me that I don't have custom domain, so it is right. So I will add the note. I will add it. I will add it later on in November. Okay. So just as a test. So yeah, save. So custom domain is not ready. Email notification I have to check manually. So mark as ready. So check manually. Yeah, this is done. I believe this is just a test tutorial, just to show you. So it is done and check manually. So it is done. So it is not done. So for example, mark is not ready. Okay, not ready. So for example, currently I have uh, 10 tasks done and 2 tasks not done, and this is for the launch September. So it is not completed yet. So 2 action required. So I will add a new launch check. So now you got the idea why these launch checks are so important. Launch check October 2025, and then I will check the front end. Okay. So I will check web icon check, footer links check, header links check, password page check, and social sharing image check. Okay. Then analytics check, meta pixel check. Okay. I will click on start, and now it will launch the October 2025. Okay. So I have listed the seven tasks. Shopify AI will analyze whether I have completed these tasks or not. So it has also completed this thing, and it has mentioned that I am too lazy. I have only completed one task, and six tasks are not done. So Fab icon check is not ready. So yeah, it is not ready for my site. Check manually. It is fine. So header links are fine. I have already checked. The links are pointing fine. So check manually. It's not ready yet. Google Analytics is not ready yet, but I will work on it a month, 1 month before the launch. Okay, so it's kind of a reminder for me. So note it, Metapixel is not ready. Okay, so I have completed three tests checks and four tasks are not run. So I have done. Uh, I have created two launch check for October and September, and I can create more launch check as well. So this is kind of a thing that will kind of thing for me that will make me accountable. That I have to complete this task either as a store owner or an agency owner or a Shopify developer. That I have to complete it for my clients. So I hope the things are clear, and let me know if you like this app. I am loving this app. So see you in the comments, and let me know if you have any other questions or recommendations for any other app test.